issue and substantively addressing legitimate concerns, he has chosen instead to try to silence critical and dissenting voices. We hope that instead of stifling debate, your company will recognize the value of society
before I even get a chance to turn to the left turn lane.
So necessary for
That's a
humanity
douche
progress.
move.
Absolutely, we need this exchange. Now, a House subcommittee oversight confronting a growing public threat. Okay, in the general public, in 2016, the MMR shot, sure enough, anaphylaxis, encephalitis, encephalopathy. Maybe that's too old. Let's look at 2018. The MMR shot, anaphylaxis, encephalopathy, encephalitis. Wow, how about we look at the package insert? Now remember, I got this package insert from the FDA.gov.